Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a folder in OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign in to your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your cloud storage and files stored in OneDrive. After signing in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes. OneDrive will automatically redirect you to your main dashboard where you can view all your existing files and folders. This is your central hub for managing everything stored in your cloud space. Now, to create a new folder in OneDrive, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Create or Upload. Go ahead and click on this button and a context menu will appear displaying various options for what you can add to your OneDrive storage. From this context menu, you'll notice several different types of documents and files that you can create directly within Microsoft OneDrive. These options give you flexibility in organizing and managing your content. For our purpose, locate and click on the folder option from this menu. This action will open a new folder creation window. In the folder creation window that appears, you'll see a field where you can enter a name for your new folder. Type in whatever name makes sense for how you plan to organize your files. Additionally, you'll notice an option to assign a color to your folder. This color coding feature is really helpful for visually organizing your folders and quickly identifying different categories at a glance. Once you've entered your folder name and selected your preferred color, click on the Create button. OneDrive will process your request and add the new folder to your storage. You'll see it appear immediately in your file list, ready for you to start adding documents and organizing your content. And that's it. You've successfully created a new folder in OneDrive and can now use it to organize your files more effectively. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.